Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most eagerly awaited tablets of 2024, the iPad Mini 7. Apple fans, it's been quite a while since the last iPad Mini graced our hands, and it's safe to say the excitement for the next iteration is off the charts. Whether you're a fan of the iPad Mini's compact design or looking forward to new upgrades, this video cover saw the latest leaks, rumors, and predictions for the iPad Mini 7. So if you're excited to learn more about the upcoming iPad Mini, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. According to several rumors, the design is expected to evolve but maintain the familiar flat-edge look. The thin bezels and compact size that made the Mini so popular will remain intact, but Apple might be introducing some subtle tweaks to make the device feel even more premium. While we might not see any drastic changes to the body, the Mini form factor has always been a fan favorite, and the iPad Mini 7 will likely continue that trend. The iPad Mini will receive an OLED display. There's chatter about the iPad Mini 7 possible, boasting a 120Hz ProMotion refresh rate. If that turns out to be true, it would be a significant leap forward for smoothness and responsiveness, bringing the Mini closer in line with Apple's Pro devices. The size will likely remain around 8.3 inches, but with improved brightness and contrast levels, Apple could step things up with the iPad Mini 7. Currently, the Mini has a 12-megapixel rear and front camera, which gets the job done but leaves room for improvement, especially in 2024. Whispers around Apple's supply chain suggest we might see the introduction of some iPhone-level photography features in the new Mini. But that's not all. Along with the A18 chip, it's expected that the iPad Mini 7 will come with an upgraded 8 gigabytes of RAM. Recent leaks indicate that the device will support Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, which should result in faster wireless connections and better stability when syncing with accessories. Battery life is always a concern with any portable device, and while the iPad Mini 6 performs decently in this area, the iPad Mini 7 could bring improvements. With the more efficient A18 chip, we might see longer battery life, allowing you to use the device for extended periods without constantly reaching for your charger. We're likely looking at a starting price of around $499 for the Wi-Fi only model and $649 for the cellular version. However, if Apple introduces a high-end version with a 120Hz display or other premium features, we could see prices climb even higher. While Apple hasn't officially announced anything yet, most leaks and reports point to a fall 2024 release. This would follow Apple's typical launch schedule for its iPads, usually around September or October, with rumored upgrades in design, display, performance, and cameras. The next-gen iPad Mini could be the ultimate compact tablet for users in 2024. Thanks for watching.